Hi guys, we are going to discuss about a topic that is different industrial hazards and its safety. So, uh, this is the introduction. What's hazards? A situation that poses a level of threat to life, means it will threaten the life, property, or environment. And what about industrial hazards? It's in conditions that produced by industries which may cause injury or death to the working personnel or a loss of properties. So, for safety is a simple term that may be defined as freedom from occurrence of risk or injury. So, what's industrial safety? It means safety of workers from any danger of industrial hazards. So, these are the types of industrial hazards. First is fire and explosion hazards. Second is electrical hazards. Third is chemical hazards. Fourth is mechanical hazards. And the last is pharmaceutical hazards that occurs mainly in pharmaceutical industries. So, first this is fire and explosion hazards. So from the picture, I think you have some idea about this. So I'm going to explain you regarding this. Yeah. So what are the causes for fire and explosion hazards? Uh, Electrical systems first, which are overloaded and that results in hot wiring. Means normally we can speak it like a short circuit. Next is combustible near equipment which generates heat, flame or sparks, like sparkings in the equipment that generate heat. And next is flammable liquids like dangerous chemicals and aerosols. Next, electrical wiring. Next, the batteries that are used to provide power. Next, smoking may be used in the factory for workers. So these are the prevention that can be used to prevent these hazards. So first is the workers shouldn't wear nylon cloth at workplace, and next is each and every section of the industry should have fire extinguisher, and next is all employees should be familiar with fire extinguisher. Means all employees should know how to uh, prevent this kind of hazards with fire extinguisher. And next is everywhere fire extinguisher should be employed, and everywhere a exit sign should be there so that emergency exit can be done regarding these hazards. And we need to provide some flammable materials in certain area, and we need to prohibit smoking in all the area for uh, preventing these hazards. Next, these are the safety measures that should be taken, like fire extinguisher, fire tenders. Here is examples are there. It can be used. Okay. Next is electrical hazards. Here also I gave a photo, so you should have some idea about this. So let's begin. Its primary cause. These are some primary causes for these hazards, like improper use of electrical equipments like cables, power cords. Previously we discussed about short circuit, so it's related to that only. So next, the improper maintenance of apparatus and outlets and electrical equipments. Then overloaded means overall it's about electrical equipments only. So how this these three preventions can be taken to prevent it. Like we shouldn't use any equipments or cords which have splices, means which are damaged. And next, you shouldn't use 32 prong adapters, like you shouldn't use wrong adapters or wrong equipments, or you shouldn't overload outlets. Okay, then uh, what safety measures can be taken, like electric gadgets should be repaired by a qualified person like electricians. So during that times, during means when the electrical gadgets are not in use, we need to switch it off and go. And next is you shouldn't touch any electrical equipment with wet hands. Next, uh, if the electrician or faculty have not repaired, then we shouldn't touch that wire or cords. We need to avoid contact with energy electrical circuits. So next, third is chemical hazards. So generally it means different chemicals. So what measures can be taken? I'll show you in the next slide. Yeah, these are the causes, means irritated materials, means some chemicals. What we need to do? We need to so generally it can cause inflammation in the body, because so here what can be the result. So depression effect may take place, then phytotoxic agents that can cause damage to the liver, nephrotoxic agents which can damage the kidney. So these preventions we can take, like we can take we can take with trained employees. We should use excessive grease. We shouldn't use excessive grease or lubricants on equipments. And we should regularly evaluate all procedures that the process is going effectively to remove chemicals. We should store the chemical in a particular area that are away from food, ingredients and packaging. So what safety measures can be taken? Like the respirator must be used in all gas storage places, and body should be fully covered whenever people are interacting with hazardous chemicals. And skin burn happens due to allergy or due to chemicals, you need to use alkaline solutions always instead of water. So next is mechanical hazards. Here normally we need to prevent some hazards that cause due to machines. Yeah, first it's cause rotating parts. Machines with rotating parts, we can catch loose clothing, hands or hair. We need that may cause serious injuries. How to prevent? We need to ensure rotating shafts, belts and pulleys are covered by guards and leads and covers. Means normally we need to check the machine before operating. Is it means we need to check each part. Is it correct or not? And it should be checked by professionals only. And some next tools are there, like in machine some tools are there, like screws, drivers, all that things. So what are the causes? Carelessness of tools or use of tools in poor conditions, which can use injuries to the hands, eyes. head and limbs. Like we should use proper screwdrivers. Means we shouldn't use a damaged one. We should always use a proper one. What's this prevention? We need to regularly check the screws and all the tools. Is it properly installed or not? So, like examples of the magnets, glasswares. So first magnets, large powerful magnets or electromagnets which can attract other magnets or iron objects that can cause painful pinching of fingers or hands. What we need to, what prevention can be taken? We need to inform people of these hazard before such magnets are used, and in some machines some magnets are used. So we can use these magnets in some machineries, and we can inform to the personnel regarding the error in glassware, any kind of glassware that has the potential to break, thus creating the risk of cuts. So what prevention can be taken? You need to wear goggles for eye protection and clean up any broken glass. Okay. So and dispose of any special waste bin. Okay. So I have included some research article. You need to go through it. But here Kawai et al. What he explained that sodium and potassium hydroxides are used in intermediary for a variety of products in several industrial applications. And here one example is included, like 1G buddies, which processing a catalytic reaction that's called transistorification, and this reaction transports So overall you need to go through the article. Yeah. Okay, I included some articles, like this is the first one, and next is the second one. Here also some methodological is there for other identification. You need to go through the articles in the slide, and this is the design phase starting to last. This is the conclusion obtained from the second article. These are some reference whatever I gave, and if you don't understand you can go through the reference. Okay, thank you for listening.